Hi everyone, so this is my next video and it's all about side dishes, and so this one is one of my favourites. I make it at home, really quick to do, with potatoes and spinach and garlic and onions and ginger, and then you have to add some spices into there. And so my favourites are ground cumin, some nigella seeds in there, turmeric, and lots of lovely spinach. Or any other greens that you might have. This is just baby spinach, but if you've got chard or you've got some spring greens or something, just chop them up and you can add them in. So this is a really tasty dish. It does take about 20-25 minutes or so to make, so I would probably eat this with rice, or you could have it with some more veg or salad or stuff like that. So it's really great. So to start with, what you do is you add in your onions, your garlic and your ginger, and that goes into some oil, and then you just cook that for a couple of minutes until they've softened down a bit. So I've just used some normal potatoes. You can use new potatoes, just chop them up into bits, or if you've got any leftover white potatoes or anything like that, you can just use that, chop them up into chunks. Generally the smaller they are, the quicker they would cook, but so I just kind of do it in little small 2 centimetre or so chunks, and then pop that all in and just kind of mix it all well with all the onions and the garlic and ginger. At this point you can also add some thyme leaves if you've got something, or some chopped up coriander stems in there, just a bit of extra flavour. But so what I would do, or even curry leaves would go really nice with this. So if you've got any curry leaves, chop it up finely and add it in now. So next thing would be to add your spices. So I've added in some nigella seeds. I just love the colour that they add to this dish. It makes it look really interesting. So I've added that with some turmeric, of course, to give it that kind of yellow hue. And then add cumin. Cumin and potatoes go so well together. So those are my 3 spices that I would add in. Keep it simple, don't go too over the top with the spices, but if you want, you can add more in, but I kind of like it just to kind of keep it simple. So add in a little bit of water, and this kind of helps it cook a bit, kind of creates a bit of steam and lets the potatoes cook for about 15 minutes or so until they're just tender, and you can just poke it through with a little fork or something, and it just goes in easily. And at this point you want to add in your spinach, and spinach won't take long to cook. It will literally wilt down in a minute or 2. So I cover the pan, let it wilt for a few minutes, and then it is literally done. Don't forget to season with salt and pepper. If you want to add any chili flakes in there or chilies, you can do that as well, that's fine. So you can it's a very versatile dish. You can add bits to it if you want it spicy. If you don't want it spicy, you can leave it out. So this is a really tasty, quick Asian style dish to do. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe and try making it at home. Let me know what you think, and I will be doing some more easy peasy side dishes as well that you can try at home with broccoli or any other kind of veg. So yeah, speak to you soon.